Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is an early Lucid Motors technical analysis video, and today's stock is so far up 12%, but it has only been 30 minutes since market opened because it had this pretty huge news in my opinion for the stock, and it did gap up. This is a 5-minute chart at the moment, and let's have a look at the technicals. You guys all know the news. I don't think we should just stick to what we do here, okay? So they're about to pretty much, according to them, deliver Lucid Air in October. So that's a huge news. A lot of people had a doubt that they had any production or not, or maybe it's a fraud or not, but you can look up those news. This is not a news channel. This is purely technical. So let's have a look. So on a daily chart, you can see this 28 to 30 all the way till this zone, this blue zone. Every time stock tried to reach these levels, it pretty much rejected. Very recently, it was a week ago when this stock almost touched this 28 and it got rejected. That's where we are right now. So if we see the stock break out of this level, which is for me would be $30. So if it gets above this 28 and somehow stays in this range, stock has a lot of short sellers in it, which is about 20%, I think. So let's have a look once again. What's the outstanding short volume, because this stock has 200 million or so share float, and if 20% of that, it's 40 million. Okay, and at the moment Lucid looks like, what's the volume it has traded? So 30 million volume first 30 minutes. That's huge. And I think if people start covering, and if this stock gets above this $30 level, there is a huge potential for this name to hit this $35 level. I'm gonna put $35 resistance here, and then also above that level, look at this gap down. So last time, like right here back in February, I believe, when this stock gapped down huge, and we have this gap between 35 and all the way till this 57, I believe. So this is a gap fill area. So I think if it gets above 35, that's pretty huge. But at the moment, I'm watching that level, which is 28, all the way from 28 to 30, this zone. Let's have a look at different time frames maybe. So on a weekly chart, you can see pretty much for the last 4 weeks, it has been green. It's been going up, so momentum has been to the upside, and it has been to the upside with volume. Okay, so it was going up with a decent volume, much higher than its average, which was throughout the summer. And also, what about the monthly chart? So if we take a look at the monthly chart, pretty much every single candle here represents 1 month of price action. And look at this huge candle. So September, pretty much we have one more day in September. And look at this volume, almost 1 billion volume. On average, it was getting about not like somewhere near 250 million per month for the last like 5 months. And last time it traded with this much volume, it was back here, January, February, March, when the stock started moving higher. So that means if we're gonna close like this, look at this month, it can have a continuation going into October, just like we did right there. So that's my levels I'm watching for this name. And also, if we take a look at the moving averages, I think it's above all of its moving averages. So that's looking good over there. What about the MACD? I think MACD, let's have a look at the momentum. Momentum is pretty decent here. So last time we spoke about this name, we spoke about this 25 being support. And I'm still going to watch this level as a support. If we're going to see sell the news type of event and people start selling into this move, that's my support, but I'm more bullish than bearish at this point. But again, this is not like a financial advice or like a trading advice. If you're someone who is anxious and who's like emotional, who wants to just pretty much confirm their bias, you don't want to do it here. And I am not holding any shares, nor I'm not holding any options for this stock, so I don't have a position. But to me, price action looks pretty strong just by looking at this. Like, even look at the 15-minute volume. Every 15 minutes it's been trading with 20 million volume, unlike look at yesterday, the day before yesterday. So that's why I will be watching this stock to the upside. And if there's anything else, we're gonna definitely update the technicals. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and drop a like. I will see you in the next update video. Take care. Peace.